Okay, I'm going to cook my second meal from HelloFresh. I only got 2 meals, and you probably already saw the video of the, what was it? Limon. The salmon limon. So this is chicken shawarma pita bar. So I think I need to cut up some veggies. All the ingredients are in here except the chicken, and I've got that chicken in the refrigerator right now. So pita. I showed all these ingredients. Look how cute that little cucumber is. Purple onion, tomato, more cream stuff, lemon. Alright, I think that's it. That's all that's in there. I love how they package that, though. They keep it all together. So you just pull out the sack, and you got everything you need. Okay, we are going to slice the cucumber. Ugh, needs to be washed. Hang on. Slice the cucumber. Okay, I think another thing that I like about these meals is they're pretty much proportioned or portioned, so you don't overeat. That's kind of a good thing too, is with the service like this. You think you can't go back for seconds if, well, I'll take that back. I had a little bit of that couscous left, but, which I ate for breakfast this morning. But you don't have a lot of leftovers. And you don't have, like, the meat is portioned out, so you don't have a lot of leftovers, and you can't overindulge. So there is a benefit to these services. Good and crunchy. This is going to be a pita bar. It's all going to be on this. All on the cutting board. Cutting board's going to be the bar. And purple onion. I like purple onion. I just don't buy it very often. We're only going to use half the, it said thin slices. Thin slices. It's my ice maker, if you're wondering what that noise is in the background. Pretty purple onion. Look at that. Actually, I think that's all I'm going to use, because I don't think Deborah will eat a lot of the onion. Alright. And I'm going to eat first. She's going to eat later, so I am hungry. I can't wait any longer. I'm starving. Got the onion. Got the cucumber. Just said to slice the lemon in quarters. Done. And chop the tomato. Chop the tomato. Okay, that's all chopped up, and now I guess we just cook the chicken. This is a fast one. Okay, let's read the card and cook the chicken. We're gonna pickle the onion. Ooh, yum. Okay, well, let me work on pickling the onion and making the crema or the sauce or whatever first. All right, it said to put the onions in, and I added a little bit more onion. Gosh, they want me. No, that's about a half. And a half a teaspoon of sugar. This is fancy. Fancy, fancy. And then juice from a half a lemon. Half the lemon. And a large pinch of salt. I think that was a large pinch of salt. And then cover it with plastic wrap. I don't have any plastic wrap. I'll just cover it. Well, it probably needs to steam. Let's see. But we're going to microwave it for a minute. I'll be back. Okay, I'm going to put my silicone air fryer basket on top of it, and then I'll put it in the microwave. And we're going to let this sit. They said set aside and let it pickle, but stir it occasionally. So let's stir it. Ooh, that looks good. I love pickled onions. If this is a faster way to do it, that is great. I couldn't find my oregano, so don't throw your package away until you make sure you have all the ingredients on the ingredients list here. Why are you not focusing? Still won't focus. Okay, there's the ingredients list. So I opened up my sack, and yep, there it was. It was down on the bottom. Okay, so in a separate bowl, we combine the tomatoes, the cucumber, and half the oregano, and a drizzle of olive oil. Seasoned with salt and pepper. Okay. The tomatoes and the cucumbers, is that right? And half the oregano. Okay. Tomatoes. Cucumber. I thought it was going to be all served on this board, but it's not. Half the package of oregano. Can cut that tomato, but can't cut this plastic. Shouldn't do it anyway. Okay. Half. There's half. And let's read the card. Tomato, cucumber, half the oregano, and a drizzle of olive oil. Seasoned with salt and pepper. A drizzle of olive oil, salt, pepper, and stir. It's funny, the last last meal last night was Italian seasoning, and this was oregano. I did not do that on purpose. Okay. Looks good. Okay, now we're going to cook the chicken. But before that, we're supposed to combine the sour cream yogurt and half of the garlic powder. Season with salt and pepper. Stir in water 1 teaspoon at a time until mixture reaches drizzling consistency. Need a bigger bowl. Some water for drizzle. Oh, and garlic. I gotta add the spice. Drizzle consistency. Okay, I think that's thick drizzle consistency. You can drizzle that. Now we cook the chicken. Okay, here's the chicken. Diced, skinless, dark meat chicken. So this is for 2 people. I thought the pan was hotter than that. Spread it out a little bit. Put the rest of the garlic powder on there. Wow, that was a lot. And half of the shawarma sauce. Seasoning. If you were doing cooking for 4, you would use the rest, the whole packet. Yeah. Okay, there's 2 pitas in that package. That's what I was talking about. This is called portion control. So this is for 2 people. So I'm not going to be able to do this. My skillet's going to turn. The skillet's going to want to turn. I tasted the chicken because I wanted to taste what the shawarma sauce spice tastes like. I don't taste it. I even added some more. All right, there's the onions. Where's my fork? There it is. Doesn't that look good? I'm excited about the onions. That's a new way to fix onions. Some of the cucumber and tomato. And then a little bit of the cream on top. Okay, I guess I could have drizzled it, thinned it so it'd drizzle easier. And it said with lemon. And you know, I wanted in that first order of, I know this is HelloFresh, but in the first order of Hungry Root, that's good. I wanted falafels. And this would be perfect with falafels instead of chicken. So guess what I'm going to do next time? Yeah, I'm going to make some falafels and make this kind of, I don't know how I'm going to eat this. Let's take a bite. Might need a knife.